Welcome to a magical day on the farm. All your favorite farm animals have gathered for a special surprise. Today, they're going to meet the king and queen of the jungle, the mighty lion and the graceful lioness. What will happen when the peaceful farm meets the wild heart of the jungle? Did you know? A sheep's memory can recognize 50 faces, even after 2 years. And baby lambs can learn their mother's voice just hours after birth. A horse can sleep both standing up and lying down, but they dream only when lying. And horses have a unique heartbeat rhythm. It matches music when they feel calm. Pigs are smarter than you think. They can play video games with joysticks in scientific labs. And they love getting tummy rubs, just like a happy puppy. Donkeys may look stubborn, but they have an inbuilt GPS. They can remember paths and places from over 25 years ago. Goats can climb trees and cliffs like expert mountain hikers. And each goat has a different voice, like a human's fingerprint. Cows have best friends and get stressed if they're apart. And they can sense Earth's magnetic field. They align while resting and grazing. Bees can recognize human faces, and they even do a waggle dance to show where flowers are. One bee makes only 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its whole life. A duck's quack does echo, but in a frequency humans often miss. And their waterproof feathers never get wet, thanks to oil glands near their tails. Dogs can smell your feelings. They detect sadness or happiness in your sweat. And their nose print is 100% unique, just like a fingerprint. Geese fly in a V shape to save energy, but the leader switches every few minutes, and they form lifelong bonds, often mourning if their partner is lost. Cats can jump up to 6 times their body length in one leap, and they talk with their eyes. A slow blink means I love you. A lion's roar can be heard from 5 miles away, and each roar is different, like a name. And lions are the only big cats that live in groups, called prides. The lioness does most of the hunting and plans hunts with clever, silent signals. She teaches cubs to stalk using games and play fights, like jungle school.